Shifting their focus from the road to the queue, thousands of transport riders began receiving a much-needed 5,000 pesos cash relief from the Department of Social Welfare and Development today, kicking off the special aid payout in San Juan City with a system ensuring no one will receive duplicate aid. Carlos Luis Candelaria tells us more.
Riders went early to the venue in San Juan City for the first day of the special payout, which runs until May 15. Each beneficiary will receive 5,000 pesos in cash relief assistance from the government. This payout site in San Juan targets to distribute aid to at least 10,000 drivers per day. According to the DSWD, the payout is exclusively for drivers who have not yet received aid from previous schedules. Riders must register online via the link provided by their respective DNVS companies. The DSWD reminds riders to bring their original driver's license along with one photocopy and to present the text message confirming their schedule for faster verification. The agency emphasized that walk-ins will not be allowed. Only those with assigned schedules at the site will be served daily. The DSWD is also screening for duplications to ensure those who already received aid in the past are no longer served. Drivers who have already received assistance are advised to no longer head to the payout sites. Some drivers we spoke with expressed gratitude for the financial aid, including Federico Aguilar.
Malaking bagay, pambili ng pagkain siguro. Bili ulam, bigas. Maraming salamat po sa DSWD at sa ating administrasyon. PBBM, maraming salamat.
Other beneficiaries are already planning how to spend the assistance.
Gagamitin ko yung hindi para sa pambili ng gamit sa eskwelahan.
Malaking tulong din naman sa amin sa biyahe. Maraming salamat sa government dahil nagbigay sila ng subsidy para sa daan.
Meanwhile, aside from the venue in San Juan, payout sites will also be opened at the SMX Aura and Araneta Coliseum in the coming days for other batches. Beneficiaries were delighted with the orderly and efficient distribution system from registration and verification to the release of the 5,000 peso aid. Carlo Luis Candelaria from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.